Hello! So, hi everybody! I have my new parcel from Temu. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga nasa loob. So, come and join me to see what's inside this parcel, okay? I'm excited. Alam ko na, pero I forgot what I've ordered. So, eto. Tingnan na lang natin kung anong meron. I'm excited. The first stuff is, what's this? Did I order something like this? Let me see. What's this? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Ano siya, parang ano nga, terno siya, maputi. Okay, I think it's a short. No, it's a skirt. Let's try it on. Sana kasya. Yes. This is the skirt. Ayusin natin. This is the blazer. Wow, I like the blazer. It looks really chic. Yeah. Look at me, guys. Wow, kagalang-galang na ako. Yes. Bagay naman siya sa akin, di ba? It doesn't close. It's just like that. Yeah. Diba? Bagay naman siya. But I can't wear skirt here. So maybe if I wear the skirt, maglalagay na lang ako ng pampatong sa loob. Or ng panloob. Okay, let's check the next one. The next one is... Ta-da-da! Oh, this is a perfume. Perfume siya, guys. Wait. So, this perfume, in-order ko lang talaga siya. But I am not sure if mabango siya or hindi. So, ganyan yung package niya. But I hope mabango siya. I have a lot of perfume already. Later, or next time, I will show you my perfume collection. Charot. Char. It's a pure gold 24K. Okay. Let's check. Oh, ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. Yan. Let me spin. Ay, okay lang. Yung amoy niya pang Saudi, guys. So, it's better na ano ko na lang siya, ipang regalo. Matry ko lang siya. Pero hindi ko siya gagamitin. Regalo na lang natin. Okay, next one. Ito, yung boots. Yeah, the next one is the boots. Ay, kasya kaya sa akin to? Let me check. So, I will show you how it looks like. Okay, because I wear it already. Yeah, there. Yes. Huh? How you like that? Okay, so satisfied naman ako sa boots na nabili ko. And then the next one is this. What's this? Ah, yeah. Yung shirt na ganyan, parang oversized. Yan. Maganda yan siya sa pants. So, yan. Okay, try ko nga. What's this? Parang color niya. Try nga natin. Yan. Yan, parang oversized siya. Now I know. Sarada na itong lahat. Kahit mag-boots na lang pala ako. Kahit yung boots ko na lang, oh. Yun nga lang, hindi ko yung masusuot dito sa Pinas. And then, this is the belt. Yeah, it looks like that. How you like that? Bada bing bada boom boom. Okay, and the last one is pabango pa rin. I'm not sure if mabango siya or hindi, or bibigay ko na lang kaya to. Pamigay ko na lang din siya. Kasi baka hindi din siya mabango. And this is it. Yes. And that's it for our parcel. Tebo parcel. Okay naman. So far, maganda naman siya lahat. See you on the next one. Bye!